It's a 2014 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, power heated mirrors, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. Smart capabilities, strong performance. GMC. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.